Regardless of whether you're using a piano or keyboard, find the two grouped black keys closest to the middle or center of the keyboard. So on the piano I'm using, these two black keys are the closest to the center of the keyboard. Now play the white key to the left of the two grouped black keys, which would be this note. This is called middle C. Okay, so why middle C and not middle A? It is the first letter of the alphabet after all. Well, C to the piano is as A is to the alphabet. It's the starting point when learning to play the piano. There are many reasons for this, but here are just a few. Middle C basically splits the piano or keyboard down the middle. And in music notation, middle C is found at the center between the treble clef and the bass clef. C is also the easiest key to play in, as it's the only major scale to contain no black keys. Don't worry about this at the moment, as we'll discuss keys and scales in part 4 of chapter 1. So remember that middle C is always the C closest to the middle of the keyboard. Now that we know how to locate middle C, we now need to find the other C notes on the piano.